Now I can put these two big square pieces in. I ended up putting a pencil mark on the two that fit here. I don't know why I did that. Just because I could. I guess I should have got some more of those blocks. Ah, jeez. Looks like I'm gonna have to do this slightly a different way, maybe. Get this up here, and then do that. Ooh. Oh, my glove got stuck. Look at that. That's how heavy these are. Maybe I could take a block and whack it into place. Well, that's even going to be tricky. Okay. I can slide it into place like that. There it goes. Pencil mark looks slightly off, and that might mean that this one has to be slid over, but hey, I just want to get them in place. And see what I have to do and what the trick's going to be when I next get ready to install these, huh? Whew. Yeah. See, I have 24 1/4 and they're supposed to be 24. And I know this tile here needs to be shifted over. That's okay. I can remember that for next time. I don't have to fit these perfectly tight side by side there. Oh. Boy. I want to get these in how they're supposed to be. this one. See, these are heavy. If you can't lift them, you could walk them in a place like that. You know. Easier said than done, huh? Easier said than done. Mercy me, oh mercy me. It's not gonna go because I'm hitting that. I'm gonna have to put that up on a block too to get this one up over that edge. Wow, because that 1/2 inch stuff underneath that tile is just hitting ever so little. So I'm gonna have to get a couple more little blocks, I guess. Okay, how are we gonna do this? That's just going to help me get it over that lip. Now I'm going to have to lift that up. Like I said, I'm not too concerned about side to side right now as much as this edge being nice and straight. And see, it looks like ultimately this tile is going to end up sliding over because I put a mark exactly where it goes. And I know it needs to go that way because that tile on the end is tight. And then this one will slide over, that'll line up. And I had a little tile in the corner. So that tile is gonna have to slide out. So I know that's all gonna line up. And I just wanna careful with it. I want to see if I can't get this tile a little closer there. That looks like it's going to have to be. See, this line's not perfectly square. And it's got just a slight bow in it. That's why I don't think I could have pulled a chalk line out here to get all this stuff lined up exact. I'll just have to be careful when I walk over these tiles and stuff. last thing I want to do is crack a tile, right? Yes, indeed. I'm just going to put something in there for the time being. That's okay. I guess I can go that way. Yeah, this is going to be really tricky. You have to be careful as I'm walking on that one. Those blocks are just temporary blocks, okay? But now I've got this line pretty much straight. And now I've got to remember which tiles are next, which tiles fit in there and all that. Okay. Because see, that next one there is going out. It's going to have a notch that way. This one's going to go out, have a notch that way. So I'm going to have to look at these and see which one goes where. And I'm pretty sure this one here was broken. And here's the broken piece right here. And I'm pretty sure that one fit right here in that corner. So I'll see what happens next. Do you see what I'm trying to do? I'm trying to recreate this out a ways so that then I can put in those tiles there. I don't have to put all of them in. I don't have to put those in back there, but then I can put these boom, 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 so I can line up this outside edge. Once I get that figured out, then I can remark the tiles and stack them back up over here and keep going with my project. Yes. Okay.